Hi guys, it's me Vega. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notification, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're going to talk about autumn. It's fall. Fall is nothing but autumn. September, October, November fall into fall season. In fall season, the days all get shorter. The temperature get colder. It's end of summer and start of winter, also called harvest season. It's time to pick pumpkins and apples. They'll get harvested in this season. See here guys, it's so cold and windy. You can see here guys, in my hand there's a lot of leaves. They'll turn into yellow. There's multiple pigments. It is called chlorophyll. You know what is this yellow thing? It's xanthophyll. There is other pigments like purple, orange is the green pigment. They're food for the trees with the help of sunlight and water. What they breathe? Carbon dioxide. When the leaves turn brown, they are dead. Autumn traditionally begin with Llama's Day. It's after Halloween. Llama, red pajama. I don't have any pajamas now. I like autumn because I can see a lot of colorful leaves. Do you know what is in my hand? Maple leaves. What's into your mind? These are maple leaves. Ever seen Canada flag? It has red maple leaves. I love autumn fall season. It's getting colder, so I came back to home. Please like, share, subscribe to Vegalogs.